Hey guys, so this video is special. It's special because it is my 100th video on this channel. I have done a video every other day without missing a day since January 19th or something of this year. And every other day since then I've made a video all the way up to this point, which is 100 videos. So I thought I'd take this video to kind of look back and look through some of my other videos on this channel, kind of make a memorial compilation type thing. I haven't started yet, but I'm really looking forward to how far I've come since the beginning of the year and just making this compilation for you guys. A lot of you may not have seen a lot of this old footage from some of my old videos, so it's exciting to me, it's important and personal to me, and I'm very happy and proud of myself that I've been able to stay consistent with this for so long and will continue to do so in the future. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna make the compilation right now, and here it is. Thank you so much all for subscribing and being here with me on this memorable moment. That's not the word I was looking for, but anyway, let's go. Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Matt, and I'm super excited because today is the day that I am leaving for Japan to move there forever. Maybe not forever, but I have no plans of coming back.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no...
良いアドバイスをしたい。時々人生は難しい。あなたは難しいことをしなければなりません。いつでも最善を尽くして諦めないで。The fisherman uses a purple fishing net.
Don't hate me if you like Aquarius better. They're both good. Aquarius is a B, as you can see, but Pocari Sweat is amazing. So this is a historical Ryukyun toilet. Guys, we're back to the same spot, and look how long it's been. Look how low tide it is now. Definitely gonna get some of these figures once we get a place of our own here.
I believe in you, and I just feel that
this just says like super spicy.
Okay, let's go with that one. It's really good, but it is spicy. To buy their spicy chicken. And I'm gonna go with 7-Eleven as my guess. Here it is, the 1956 Charlie's Tacos.